Finley Engineering works primarily for smaller telephone companies, both privately owned and cooperatives throughout the Midwest and also in the eastern part of the United States. We also provide energy engineering services to a similar sized client base, primarily cooperatives and municipals spread around the Midwest as well. So we're kind of in a unique position in that we see both sides of the equation, or have feet in both camps when it comes to telecommunication services and energy services. A lot of the work that we do is the deployment of triple play fiber to the home networks. We help our clients figure out the best technology, the best design to use. The work we do is primarily in rural America, smaller communities. We've recently become involved with a large number of stimulus projects as a result of the ARRA broadband initiative and the 2 rounds of grants that have taken place. Just recently, the second round announced some additional awardees. So with that, we're primarily working with small clients, helping them figure out what they need to do in order to deploy their networks.
Where do you see the economics taking place? Like at what size of a small community? Where does it really start to work where you can economically, lay fiber and get some of the smaller telcos involved in this?
Right now we're doing projects for companies that have as few as right around 1,000, 1,200 access lines. It also works for companies smaller than that. One of the things that comes into play is how the companies do their settlements as far as the funds they receive from the pools. A lot of the companies in the process of deploying fiber to the home networks convert from an average schedule to a cost company, which enables them from a financial perspective to make that move. It helps with their earnings, and also with the fiber to the home, it increases their opportunity for additional revenue from the customers that they have today.
And finally, kind of your take just in general on the wired home network once you get inside the house, and last of all, your URL, how people can find you on the internet.
In the number of fiber to the home networks we've deployed, one of the biggest issues we run into because of the size and the age of the communities we work in, at the customer location we're dealing with anything from 100-year-old homes to brand new developments. And of course the issues that go along with that as it relates to the National Electrical Code, there's requirements you have to meet there. And also a lot of these homes have had different service providers in them for video, also possibly for internet. And when the local service provider goes in and provides those triple play services, it becomes quite a task for the service provider to figure out how to bring all that together in the home, because they're entering at one specific location, and the prior services that have been in the home may have entered in different locations, and all of that needs to be cabled and networked together. For more information on Finley Engineering, you can go to www.fecinc.com.
Great. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you.